Hello, welcome to my channel, the AI Times, Unlocking the Future Newsletter. Yes, in today's AI agenda, I've been discussing with you a latest AI newsletter and AI research papers and 7 latest AI tools. And last, I will be sharing with you and I'll be showing you a prompt training and which is ChatGPT prompt and Midjourney prompt. So yeah, I'm not wasting your time. Stay for the first news AI in today's AI agenda. So latest AI newsletter. So what we have first, I'm discussing a Microsoft and a big team up on a cancer detecting AI. Then Anthropic unveils a Cloud 2 Pro. Google mandates AI disclaimer on a political ID ads. Elon's new AI formula. A research lab Imbue raises a $200 billion. So yeah, I'm discussing first Microsoft and Plug team up a cancer detecting AI. So what this article has been saying? Microsoft and Pig team up on cancer detecting AI. What is the report of this? Microsoft just announces collaborations with the Pig to build the largest image-based AI model for cancer detections. What is the key point? The model is surging ahead with training on an unprecedented volume of data, digesting billions of images to identify both common and rare cancer. The peg, originally a spin-off from the Memorial Sloan Kettering Cancer and Center and already on as a AI that assists a pathologist in detecting the breast, colon, and prostate cancers. The detective aim to boost the speed and accuracy for overloaded and medical staff with big basing that a tool for doctors, not a replacement. Why does matter? Microsoft has been aggressively investing in a healthcare AI this year for the good reason. AI can possibly revolutionize the detecting and care for the billions of humans battling cancers global every year. Combining a wealth of medical data with Microsoft's massive computing power feels like a major recipe for a world-altering a breakthrough. So, what is this article is details in that I've been discussing that there is really big announcement collaboration with the Microsoft to build the world's largest image-based AI models to fight a cancer. Cool. They have been working really hard to detecting cancer using these very really more informative AI tools, and they've been doing a lot of research on these AIs, coming up with really good things that will help the humanity, help these diseases which we are not tackling for many years, but today's technology, AI technology, can capable of doing such things. So it will helping in a healthcare, bringing the technology and AI in a healthcare, much making a better, wealthy and healthier yes life. So yeah, that's good news, and they're working really hard. These tech companies, yeah, big forethought of innovation since its inspections and by combining a Microsoft expertise and enormous computing power with a big deep expertise in AI technology and digital pathology, we strongly believe we will significantly advance the state of the art and cancer imaging through the development of these models. We will help improve the lives of the millions of people who are affected by the cancer every day, said Razak Yusuf, SVP of a technology at P. Yeah, and the next phase development of PIC is incorporating up 4 billion digitalized microscopy slides across the multiple types of the cancers from its unmatched peta scale achieved for clinical data. Utilized Microsoft's advanced supercomputing infrastructure to train the technology at scale, ultimately deeply to its hospitalized and laboratories across the globe using Azure. Big technology already goes beyond that is humanly possible today and helps the physicians to deliver better cancer care with AI support by realizing the potential of generative AI and a unprecedented scale. The big model collaborations with Microsoft is milestone in the history of oncology. It opens a window into the microscopic world with extraordinary fidelity, allowing for only much higher accuracy but completely novel capability. Thomas Fitch, Dr. SC, founder and chief scientist of PIG. About the PIG, PIG uses the power of the AI drive a new era of cancer discovery. The treatment to improve the lives of patients with cancer has created a cloud-based platforms that transform a pathologist workflow and increasing a diagnostic confidence as well as productivity. On a global scale, Spig is the first company to receive the FDA approval for clinical AI applications in digital pathology. The same Pig technology empower pharmaceutical companies to more effectively evaluate treatment options for patients and designs a new biomarkers for drug development so that every patient gets a pieces of treatment option. So that was the news related to the healthcare. So second, related to it's an AI tools, yeah, and Anthropic and Evil's Cloud True Pro. As you know, the Cloud True it was really much better than a ChatGPT, and they have a good, strong capabilities of doing AI things, summarizing, giving a lot of new things, researching, typing, yes, and doing everything in this. I think so. I don't know about the image generation about the Cloud True, but they have been really great. Who held an ChatGPT Plus? I think so. So, what the report has been saying about this Cloud Troop, Anthropic has finally announced a premium plan for AI chatbot Cloud 2, providing enhanced features and increased the message limits to take on a reveal OpenAI's ChatGPT Plus. The details, the pro trial promises a whopping 5x more usage than the free trial with earlier access to new features and priority access. Anthropic noted that the current passage limits for the free trial have been due to the capacity of consisting as a boost models like a cloud true demands powerful computing power. The company, founded by ex OpenAI employees, anticipates needing of 5 billion in the next 2 years to maintain its original sport listed AI whilst facing competitions from the AI, OpenAI, and AI 21 Labs and Coherent. What is wrong with a new Pro plan? Anthropic ups the stake in the consumer's LLM space, providing a direct competitions at an identically price to reveal the ChatGPT Plus. But when OpenAI already dominating market share, getting users to pay for both models or switching internally may be a tough task. So yeah, that is an AI tool. So what is this? This is here you can go and sign in over. They introduced the Cloud True Pro. They introduced Cloud True Pro to get 5x more usage with Cloud Pro. Start your subscriptions today. Everything in this, I think so. Go and sign in. What their companies, product research, everything is over here. I think so. Go and find it over there. What do they have been? And Cloud Pro offers what do they offers 5x free to provide with the ability to send many more messages. Access to cloud.ai during a high traffic periods, early access to new features that helps you get the most out of cloud. So go and click here, and I think so. Go on this lines of topic.com, and you will find it really, really great in this. So that was my second. What was the third? We have Google's merits AI disclaimers on political ads. The Googles will now require to political ad using AI generated content to clearly disclose it according to an update on the company's advertising policy patrol. The movie comes ahead of the 2024 elections where AI has already started being deployed for attack ads. Note the disclosures reportedly only rely on a good faith, do not cover unpaid content, and are quite light on a specify. So yeah, that's about related to the Googles, and they are being politically bringing up the ads according to the updated and company advertising policy patrol. I don't hear about this news a lot more, but there's a report I've been saying over there that comes ahead on 24 elections where AI has already started being deployed for attack ads really on a good faith, do not cover unpaid content, and quite light on specifiers. Then I have a Elon News AI formula. So they have put Elon's new AI formula. Yeah, Elon grand plan to merge Neuralink, Tesla, and others venture into the unfired AI powerhouse fueled by Twitter data, and Tesla real world image aims to create a game-changing AI. So yeah, Elon has been working more in Neuralink. Yes, their team is really good in working putting these shapes on animals. And I have heard about this news about the monkey. They have lost a lot of monkey by introducing these Neuralink chips and putting in their in animals' minds to experiment on it. Yes, so how you can understand their mind, so that can be understand put over in a human's mind, so in a human's brain, sorry, so they can understand the scenario of the human, how the brain has been working, how they've been mm, uh, we analyzing the things well, so to boost up your mind and understand our structure of the brain and how he's been understanding how we making our decisions, something like that. Using this neuralink we can decide and what thing is being bad, what thing is being very skillful. So that was a great news, yes, about the Elon Musk, about the new team on working on Neuralink. So yeah, last one related to the AI research lab, MBU raises a 200 billion so dollar. So CEO of the Limbo Q announced a whopping 200 billion billion dollar Series B round, putting the company in valuations over 1 billion. Cash will support a Limbo development of AI systems capable of robusting, reasoning, and coding, positioning the technology to work more effectively in the real world. So I have these articles, and what the article has been saying over here. So new tech techniques MBU to raised 220 billion, placing it among the better fed AI startups in recent months. It's only slightly ahead of AI 21 Labs, which is $283 billion. The TIAV based fame developing range of text generating AI tools as well generating AI vendors like Core and 440 billions and Adopt 415 billion. That is funding accelerated development AI systems that can reason code so that can help you accomplish larger goals in the world. This blog post published this morning, our goal remains the same: to build a particular AI agent that can accomplish larger goals and safety work for us in a real world. So we believe in reasoning is the primary blocker to effective AI agents. MPU wrote the blog post, "Deboosting reasoning is necessary for effective actions. It involves the ability to deal with the uncertainty, to know when to change our approach, to ask questions, and gather the new informations to play out a scenario and makes decisions to make and discard hypothesis and generally to deal with the complicated hard to predict nature of the real world." So that's very, very good news. We've been putting a really hard on it and going very good. When we build AI agents, we are typically building a computer that can understand our goals, communicate productively, and work for us in the background. Limbo continue in the blog post. Ultimately, we hope to release the systems that enable anyone build robust custom AI agents and that put on the productive power of AI everyone's fingertips. This latest finding will accelerate our development of AI systems that can reason and code so that they can help us accomplish larger goals in the world. So that was really, really great news, and it was really. So then I have the AI research. So first AI research is related to the large language models to as a optimizations. In this work, the authors introduced the optimization pro PR, imputing OPRO, a novel approach that leverage a large language model as optimizer. OPRO utilize the natural language prompts to guide the optimization process. The authors demonstrated its effectiveness in solving optimizing problems, including a linear regressions and the traveling salesman's problems. TSP or OPRO flexibility allows it to adopt it various tasks by changing the problem's descriptions in the prompt. It excels in prompt optimization, achieving up to 8% high accuracy than a human's designs prompts on JSMA 8K and up to a 5% improvement on a big bunch head of task. OPRO potentially to showcase through case studies and extensive evolutions using a different LLM. So what is the research that is being published? So I've been showing you. Here's that related to the large language model as optimizations. Here, these are people who have been working on this. Their team or been working great job in this. So then we have introduction optimization critical for all areas. Many optimization techniques. Interactive optimization starts from initial solutions, then iterative updated the solutions to optimize the objective function. So that really good job in this research. So they give graph on objective features, evolution scores, meta prompt, solution score pairs, then optimization, the generated solutions. Then you return to get a solution of this of that prompt of the which you have been analyzing it. So everything in this research paper, I think, was great research paper. People are really working on that. This team is really good job. His example over there. I have some text along with the scoring score. The text arranged in ascending order based on scores, where higher source indicates a better quality. So here's a text. Text, let's figure it out. Score 61. Text, let's solve the volumes of score 63. Demonstration and scores. The following examples. How should we apply that? Your text, you replace to each input with so your text, and then put and give an output. We will say you output is wrong of if your output is different from is given output, and we saw your output is correct if they are the same. Let's give the output input of this. Over there is everything there for the schools and new schools here, and have been given a book by their parents. Luna has 20 more books than Beatrix. Queen has 1.5 5 times more books than I don't know. It has 30 books. How many books do we have together? This really great. This research paper, I think so. Yeah, research is related towards the practical capture of a highly fidelity and writable avatars. The paper introduced the TER avatar is particularly the framework for the capturing the high fidelity 3D avatar in diverse lighting conditions. It combines the efficient data capture and specialized light stage with a novel network architecture designed to handle the linear lighting response. The approach's disadvantages dynamic geometry and reflectance embedding real-time avatar animations and lightning. The network is trained on image sequence avoiding explicit tracking and offers a superior performance in terms of photorealistic avatar creations and relighting. The paper discusses related work and designs of the capturing practice. It concludes with an explanation of the training of framework, network architecture, and data capture and loss function. So yeah, that's cool. Research papers. So what is research paper is written here are this towards the practical capture of high fidelity writable avatar. These people have been working on this and how this avatar has been creating with is this a real original man? This is not original, it's created by avatar video driven animations. Yes. We present the TAR avatar, a novel framework to capture and reconstruct a highly fidelity volumetric avatar trained efficiently end-to-end multi-view image sequences under varying illuminations over virtual avatar can be relighted and animated in real time of high fidelity. This is abstract over there. This is a CCC concepts, keywords. What the keywords been performing in this introductions of in this work, the capture and reconstruction of high fidelity avatar in a light stage environment as the virtual representations of humans avatar are crucial components in various downstream applications such as video games, virtual reality, telephone representatives, and more by ETA, AI, Lamborghini, so Master at L2, and these are people who's been working on this, producing such a big research work on this, and what they create on the related work. Yes, how they producing this, how their body is working, they showing each and everything, they figure outing face expressions over there. How cool is this? So I think this is really the hard work the people have been doing and putting on their everything in this and coming up with really great research paper and publish it in video on and people can read it and understand it and make more in it and get more information from this how they've been working. Yes, yeah, everything in this I think so. Parameters, the values over there, they have you show by the figures over there, they put a rate and everything. We do get research works on this. So next, next one related to the trading AI tools, which is really a test sections of my trading AI tools. 7 trading AI tools today I've been sharing with you. First one is Composer, the AI powered trading platforms build, test, and invest in algo trading strategies that automatically trade for you are based on the logic you said, no code needed. So what is tool is it is which is and what is this tool? This is a tool composer and build trade algorithms with AI backtest them, then executes all in one platforms, no coding skills required, trading build better. Yeah, trading build better. That's the goal of this tool that can be Composer. I think so. You go and try this right on the Google, the composer dot trade. Yeah, and you find it this over there and go and sign up, elaborate. Yeah, I think this is great in it. So next one is related to the Depin your AI assistants for therapy and consuming sessions. So that is and I think so. AI therapy app Deepen, the ultimate self-care composition on your journey to mental well-being, space to explore and understand yourself. I think it's rather sense. Oh, it is, and I think so. It is an iOS as well, and there's a like Apple Store. You can find it on a Google Play Store. You can find this. Yeah, you go and write it on a Google Store and download it on your mobile app. So I find it and I think a good resource in this. Then we have Brutal AI enables you to build an AI apps and workflows at an accelerate pace. It will build your software. Faster way to dissolve effective software. How cool is this? And this tool is developing a software. Develop anything, write code nearly anywhere. Versions control with Git, deploy with environments. Retool is built for missions, critical development. So yeah, that's cool. Then we have a then second is White Sonic GPT alternative that addresses the limitations of ChatGPT. What is Sonic? Yeah, considering your Chat Sonic's your generative AI conversations partner beyond a ChatGPT unlock Google search integration chat with the PDF AI image generations and more and one intelligent chat assistant. You find everything in that one chatbot and a chatbot assistant who's really great too. Then we have a second one is related to the Speak AI, turn your language data into insights fast with no code. Turn your language data into insight fast and with no code. Try this too. Try and speak and go and sign in this too. This looks great and nice too. And we have a Optimo customers lead to a marketing platform for your business. Yeah, that was very good too. And I find it over here who's start with the customers gain their royalty for life. Rank hashtag number one by Gator for the multi-channels marketing journey or orchestration. Highest challenger on the ability to execute X for enabling data center marketing programs with the data management and AI that deliver top tier personalization. So yeah, go and start for demo. I think they have a good tool. Then we have a Clay, streamlined your skills, prospects, and copywriting process through the automation. I like the automation. Scale your creative output and ideas. Combine 50 plus data provides real-time scraping and AI to send one-on-one personalized campaigns that book more meeting. So yeah, it looks more interesting. I think so. And go and sign up and try this too. This looks so great. I think we have a lot of data in this. This real and down has been showing over there. Yeah, and it's being more scale up your creative outboard ideas. So yeah, that was our last AI trading tools and my last sessions related to the prompt tutorial. So first prompt related to the chat GPT prompt. What is this prompt? Is the quiz yourself prompt. It's a teach me the end, give me an quiz at the end, but do not give me the answer and then tell me if it's answered correctly. So it is related to the quiz yourself prompt and go and copy paste in your ChatGPT prompt and what the thing has been giving to you and what the prompt will be that ChatGPT will give to you and to your prompt. So I think try this and figure out what the prompt is and how effective that prompt is. That someone who's been trying the quiz yourself prompt. Yeah. So the last that is a mid journey prompt. It is ultra detailed portraits. That person is yeah. This looks like a really and a strong guy and having the really tense his eyes over the end and his hair down over there. It's really a lot of tattoos over there. Some sketches are being there. It looks really tense. It looks great. So it's there's related to that prompt. I have used in a particular camera name that emulate the quality of professionals photographers. Yeah, give you the name of professional photographer. Stunning raw close up black and white photographer portrait of a young Polynesian man. He's a Polynesian man highest details quality, ultra realistic shot with a Canon R535 mn less 5 hash 5.6, and then we have a AR6 version 15. So go and try this. It's real great, and this gives you that type of image. If you are being real alternative with, make it your prompt or copy paste in your and put it on mid journey and regenerate this prompt, make changes on it, and you find a really great sketches over there. As you can see from this, help been generated from that thing. If you are making these things more interesting and more, so try and rewrite this prompt. I think that will give you more mind blowing prompt and more read sketch. So yeah, that's it. That is for today's AI agenda and today's AI times in newsletter. So thanks for watching. So and last I've been sharing and I've been discussing with you that and that which sections you like, tell me in your in my comments on YouTube channel comments, so I can more and more and a lot more great things to coming up. And about AI times, do not let me go down. Do subscribe my channel. So stay tuned for the next real good great news. Thanks for watching. Goodbye for next time.